High knees are an excellent cardiovascular exercise that simulates running but with an emphasis on lifting your knees as high as possible. They work a variety of muscular groups, including the core, glutes, quadriceps, and calves. But have you ever wondered what will happen to your body if you perform high knees exercise for just 10 minutes every day for 30 days? Well, you're about to find out in this video as we dive deep into the incredible benefits of performing high knees for 10 minutes every day for 30 days and can lead to several changes and adaptations in your body. Before we begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel to receive more fitness workout tips regularly. So, now let's begin. How to perform high knees properly. Let's make sure we're doing high knees correctly to get the most out of them. Here's how you should go about it. Place your feet hip-width apart and stand tall. Begin by jogging in place but strive to raise each knee as high as possible. Maintain an erect stance and engage your core throughout the exercise. Continue at a fast speed, switching between your left and right legs. Benefits of high knees. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. High knees are a cardiovascular exercise that elevates your heart rate. Doing them consistently over 30 days improves cardiovascular endurance, strengthens the heart, and boosts overall cardiovascular health. Number 2. Muscular strength and tone. High knees engage multiple muscle groups, including the core, glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. Performing them daily for 30 days leads to increased muscular strength, endurance, and tone in these areas. Number 3. Weight loss. High knees are a high-intensity exercise that burns a significant number of calories. Doing them regularly for 10 minutes each day can contribute to weight loss and fat burning, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Number 4. Core stability. Lifting your knees high engages the core muscles, including the abdominals and obliques, to stabilize the body during the exercise. Consistent practice strengthens these muscles, leading to improved core stability and balance. Number 5. Improved coordination and agility. The fast leg movements required for high knees enhance coordination and agility. Over 30 days, you'll notice improved coordination between the upper and lower body, as well as increased agility in movements. Number 6. Muscle definition. As you continue the high knees challenge, you may notice increased muscle definition and toning in the legs, particularly in the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. This results from both fat loss and muscle development. Number 7. Increased energy levels. Regular physical activity, such as high knees, can boost energy levels and improve overall mood and well-being. Consistently engaging in this exercise for 10 minutes daily may lead to increased energy levels throughout the day. Number 8. Endurance improvement. For 30 days, your stamina and endurance levels will likely improve. Initially, you may experience muscle discomfort as your body adjusts to the new workout, but as you progress, you'll find the exercise feels easier and can be sustained for longer durations. Number 9. Overall fitness. By committing to the high knees challenge for 30 days, you'll experience improvements in your overall fitness level. This includes cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength, endurance, flexibility, coordination, and agility. Number 10. Body transformation. When combined with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise, consistent high knees practice can contribute to body transformation. You may notice changes in body composition, including fat loss, muscle gain, and improved muscle definition, leading to a fitter and healthier physique. Overall, performing high knees for 10 minutes every day for 30 days is a beneficial exercise regimen that can positively impact various aspects of your physical fitness and well-being. There you have it in today's video. Remember that high knees are only one component of a well-rounded fitness regimen. For best results, combine them with strength training, flexibility exercises, and a well-balanced diet. Maintain consistency, push yourself, and watch your body transform. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are on the screen right now. Until next time. Stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.